From OpenAI's new GPT-4o to personal AI assistant that can plan your week, write your emails, and even manage your tasks, the future is happening now. In today's video, we are diving into the world of AI agents and super assistants. Let's begin with the basic question: what is an AI agent? An AI agent is a software program powered by artificial intelligence that can perceive its environment, make decisions, and act autonomously to achieve goals. Think of it as more than just a chatbot. While ChatGPT and Alexa answers questions, AI agents go a step further. They take independent action to complete the tasks. For example, imagine telling your AI assistant, book me a flight to Hyderabad next weekend, cancel all my meetings on Friday. It will just do it, without you manually checking websites or switching apps. We have also created a video on how to build an AI assistant for free. Link in the description. So moving ahead, super assistants are next level AI agents. They are not just reactive, they are proactive, context aware, and multimodal. Means they understand text, voice, images, and even a video. Think of OpenAI's vision for GPT-4o. It can listen to your tone, respond in real time with emotions, and even switch seamlessly between tasks like translation, coding help, or data analysis. For example, in a corporate setting, a super assistant could monitor your calendar, summarize all the daily reports, and notify you of risk. In personal use, it could handle your bills, travel plans, or even serve as a tutor for your kids. Let's look at some real examples of AI agents and super assistants. Number 1. GPT-4o. Announced in May 2024, it merges voice, vision, and text. It's capable of real-time conversions, live screen interactions, and even coding help. Number 2. XAI's Grok. Elon Musk Grok is now embedded in Tesla cars to help manage navigation, messages, and more via AI. Number 3. Human AI Pin. A wearable AI device that replaces your phone for simple tasks like sending messages or translating languages. So how does this all work behind the scenes? At a high level, AI agents use large language models like GPT, Cloud, or Gemini to understand the natural language. They access tools like APIs to take action, like booking a flight or sending an email. They may have short-term memory or context retention, which helps them track ongoing tasks or user preferences. Technologies involved are natural language processing, multimodal learning, reinforcement learning, and cloud APIs. If you want to become an expert in Gen AI, MindMajix offers a comprehensive generative AI certification course with the latest curriculum, real-world projects, mock interviews, and more. Check the link pinned in the comment section below. So whether you are a developer, tech enthusiast, or just curious about the future, AI agents and super assistants are going to be a game changer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos. See you in the next video.